Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solution. And so today let's talk about the difference between the agency view and the sub accounts. So agency view, it's where this is the main account. So under the agency view you can see these accounts, or this is the agency view. This is where you can set up the sub accounts. So why we have sub accounts? So, for example, you have businesses, or for example, this one other business, and this one that is your second business. So, if you are in agency view, you can create different businesses. So, under that businesses, you can add an employer, and you can set up different permissions or features. So you can set up that under your agency view. So that's the main purpose. So agency view, this is where mostly the owner of the company or the admin. Yeah, so under the agency view you have different accounts, whatever accounts that you have, maybe accounting accounts, or it's for business accounts, or whatever. And you can just add it. You can add different accounts again under agency view. So in agency view, you can set up all the rules under each account. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.